Good morning. Welcome to ABC 123 Trader. It is end of the month, March 31st, 2022, and let's start taking a look at the NASDAQ futures. All forms of trading carry high level of risk, so you should only speculate with money you can afford to lose. You can lose more than your initial deposit and stake. Please ensure your chosen method matches your investment objectives. Familiarize yourself with the risk involved, and if necessary, seek independent advice. U.S. government required disclaimer: Commodity Futures Trading Commission trading financial instruments of any kind, including options, futures, securities, have large potential rewards, but also large potential risks. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the options, futures, and stock market. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. Okay. Transition. Alrighty, good morning, everybody. I'm going to show you something yesterday in my trading. I did a video and then I said, I'm not putting it up there because it took too long. So, but I will show you anyways. Okay. So let's take a look at what's happening. NASDAQ is actually 0.1, so it's really flat. 0.15, 0.06, plus 0.12. Oil down 4%. Oil prices slide as Biden considers huge reserve releases. Really, you're going to dump a reserve in the middle of a conflict. Whatever. That's leadership for you. Okay, and I don't even live in that country. So anyways, Amazon hired influential Democrat pollsters. Oh, must be election year. Midterms coming up. Other than that, Dow and S&P futures are a little changed as Wall Street get the end of a wild quarter. You think? Yes. She should be slowing down the markets. Usually it isn't insane from January till it's wrapping up, yeah. So hopefully May, June, well, it'll still be crazy for a while. So let's look, because we are 5 minutes before open. See what happens. Maybe bounce down for a pop-up. So where we are in the phase, which was in the perfect phase finally, because it's been really bad this whole quarter. Right from the beginning, minus that bounce back because we're in the sell phase. But look at this. One contract, if you had, that's 10,000, is it $10,000? Or is it 5,000? Oh, it's a lot more than that. It's crazy. Yeah, 5 points per 100, so you can figure that one out. It's a lot. It was a good runner, guys, for a retracement. So it looks like they're kind of out of that correction territory because, it was going down. So we're getting close. We've got about till tomorrow. Well, it's the weekend, so until Monday, I guess, we're going to see if this thing starts kicking in properly and we can start doing a retracement. Maybe 50% of this. Maybe it'll come back to where all these blocks are here. Or maybe it's going to keep on running. We don't know. And then, you know what, I want to go to, I'm hitting two charts right here. And I want it to go to 60 minutes, see what it looks like in a consolidation. So they're still pulling back. Okay, so since we got this little pretty wick here, guys, you always got to go back to the wick. That's, there was a lot of volume here, so they're going to retest it again. And it looks like it lines up if we go right across in the hour or two, maybe here and continue on long term. I wonder why resistance there was that much volume. Let's go like this. At the end of that exhaustion, before the next order block pop out, it was actually at 81, guys. That's where the volume is. Huh. But we still got to put that mark on there because where the tip is. And you know what? I'm going to put another one right at 81. 81 is where all the major volume was. So they might retrace one more time because that's only, well, in NASDAQ terms, that's quite a bit, but we'll put those two markers there. Now, let's see where all the volume is. It's actually pretty much quite wide. Let's see if they can get down to where these two markers are. See, they did the test, let them retest, continue up, because that's where the prior low is. So that was from yesterday to here. So let's see if they can retrace and go again. And we are, actually, what I have to do is, we are in the marker maker territory, which I don't like. because it looked like it transitioned through. I'm going to change this to, I don't know, I think start to go down. Oh, not that line. I need it. I'd like to make my own custom one. That's good enough. Looks the same. Let me, good enough. Sure. So we know that's where the market maker is. So we're actually below the market maker. Where do they, why would the, oh, so they had all that. Interesting. So it looks like we're going to have some fighting up in this zone here. So I have a feeling she's going to, let's go back a few days. Oh yeah, most definitely. Look where all the volume is. And if she keeps on running down, this is where the ultimate goal is, if it is. I'm going to do that again. I'm going to put another region there. Right there, somewhere in that zone. You can see there was a lot of volume loading up there. But how many points is that? That's under 15,000. Oh yeah, they can do that. There's no problem. So what we're going to look at, let's look at what our times are. 9:35 is supposed to be a kickoff point, 10:10 south, 10:50, 11:45. Is it going to be a whippy day? We're going to find out. Well, we're at market open, so we'll just keep on cruising. Let's see what they're planning to do here. And this is what I want to show you. It drives me crazy. So yeah, this is the area I want to see. So let's put this region here. I want to see if it retests it. And if it gets to there, that's my bounce buy-in. And this is what I want to show you. Yesterday I did a video. I might put it on the end of the video. I did all my analysis. And I said, right in that zone, guys. And I made it even a little red band here. It says it's going to do a retracement, maybe a little deeper. It actually hit fib target 1. And I said, then it's going to crash. And I did trades on there, not on that zone. I got so bored on the whip out. Like here was the whip out from 9:30. It was going up and down, up and down. Okay, nothing's happened, nothing happened. I got so frustrated. And I'll find out which chart. You can see where my trade is. And I said, it's not going. It was around 10:45. So, and I got right in this zone. I said, I'm just tired. I watched this whole play out. And then I left. I come back, checked this morning, and I went, oh my gosh, it did work. Just within 5 minutes. If I waited 5 more minutes, that whole video. And I said, I'm not going to post that video up. So that's why I didn't have a video yesterday. Drives me crazy, when you wait and wait and wait and wait. So the last one is, this is what we're looking at. Look at this. This is chop. To me, I call this chop. We could maybe clean it up. So we're going to let them play for a while. And it looks like 10:31. Look how these two line up perfectly. This is when you can take your relaxing trade. So I might actually feel confident enough for myself, unless it gets to the point, I might just say, you know what, I might just come in here and redo the video with you guys, but not yet. Let me go to the main trade chart. Let's get rid of this, we don't need this anymore, and see where we are. Hate advertisement. Yeah, actually I could even do a short here right away. I'll wait till 9:35, I'll see what happens. -31 to -64. It's going to get down to the prior low here. It wants to. I wish I was right here. Where was market open? 9:30 was right in here. She failed down. Delta's crashing down. We're at 55 to 49. That's Fibonacci 1, Fibonacci 2. Let's go control 3 here. Let's see where we're located. The volume here, volume there. So it's right on the 134 level. See if there's any nervous reaction here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Now what we can do is we'll go to 34 here. So we know she's just falling like a stone, but I can't do anything.
Order
We'll
filled.
just put $100 in the pocket right now. This is easy money. And I don't like trading the first 3 minutes, especially on NASDAQ right now. Oh, look at that. It went from 120 to 195. Maybe they decided to take some honey off those little dogs. So, yeah, she's falling like a stone. And so let's see if we can get down to 34, 33, 32. It says 30. And the reason why I'm saying 30 is, yeah, it dropped like a stone. I'm looking at this order block right here, guys. No, I want this zone here, prior low. 12, 10, 15,000. Jeez. Wait till 9:35 because we're at 46, 49, 50. They're holding because of this order block here. We just want to shave a few points. Let's see if we can get right to here. We will. Let's open this up. Well, to 15,000. See, we're already at 25, 24, 22, 23. Actually, I should be taking a look at this. I don't have that here. All red. See? Blah. 932 at 60. And the reason why it's showing all L's here is because we broke. We're already at 161 extension. Okay, we're at prior low. There we go. Transition here. Here's our volume, guys. Okay, now we can start deciding which direction to go to. 1820, she's starting to load up here. 1837, 1839. This could be our bottom now. We're gonna find out right now. They're really dumping volume. 2,000 contracts. They're finishing up their move. So this could be the big final sell-off, bounce in. This is what I've been waiting for. And we did a minute 28 instead of 31. So we've got a few more minutes. Okay, that's our key signal. This is the signal I wanted. I've been waiting for it. Yesterday I missed it. But see, this is super high volume. That means it's wrapping up. So we're gonna find out which direction they want to move. We're almost at 31 and I can start buying in now. Okay. I'm gonna do buy bid. Let's see here. Let me see what the resistance is. It's not 31 yet. We're still at 30. I want to see if if that was a sell exhaustion or buy exhaustion. And then
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, let's go for it now. Hopefully I'm right. Okay, even if I make a couple $100, that's all I'm gonna do today because I waited too long.
Order filled.
Still vibrating, so I'm gonna wait. So we're right at 31 now. Let them pop down. Still had it at 57 though. Still at 57. What did I say? It was 57 before, right? This is the one I wanted. So I'll still keep that contract
Order
there.
submitted.
Let's take a look at the other chart because we're at 31 now. She's starting to grind up here, so. See, the exhaustion should usually go boom and go. You had high volume here, high volume here, high volume here, high volume here. Let's go for. Let's go for it again. One
Order
more time.
submitted. Order filled.
Yeah, because they're grinding. They need to get to the top here anyways. Even if I get another $100, whatever. There we
Order
go.
filled.
Finally, $395 today, guys. I was waiting for that impulse move. It's still choppy though. This market's still choppy. So, in conclusion, what was I waiting for? We're still going against the trend last day of the market. Basically what the I wish I got to that zone here. I was positive it was going to hit it. Ah, that would have been so nice. So I got actually 3 little trades in. And we were just waiting for those pops because the market's so bouncy right now. So basically what I did is this transition again. Transition again. So I was really thinking the market would come down, which, well, when it took off right away, then you have to wait. And then it took a second retracement. And then I really thought it was going to get to the 57 marker. and we kind of grabbed it and went for the run. I missed this one. Really good bounce, broke this level, came back down, got some more liquidity right at around the 15,000 level, and then she fired up. But still, it's just been going like this, going like this, going like, and I don't like that stuff. I like smooth patterns. And so yesterday, I mean, even overnight session, because it was at 8:30 in the morning, Eastern Standard Time, and I'm right now with the daylight savings. I'm still not at daylight savings section. So basically, it's like 5:34 in the morning. 5:30 in the morning for me. So this would have been a perfect trade going down, of course. But see, look at it. The markets are telling you. My software's telling you, and you just have to analyze it and analyze it. And the one I've been really relying on was this time here, the 31 time. It did curl. This might be the runner. But I'm still, the VWAP is pushing down. You're fighting against. I'd rather complement it at the same time. So if it was 31 hit here with the VWAP, I don't know. And so where we are, see how she's weakening? It's just fighting like crazy, and still fighting like crazy here. And so you can tell you're getting back to the trend with the push down. I don't know if you have any questions. I'm going to be finally opening up my software. I have to work on that shopping cart. That's just too many things. And other than that, you guys take care. Just pinpoint your trades, stay safe, and have a good one. Bye.